So before we go into the behavior modification, I just want you to see another pattern that exists in your mind that always is running all the time that sucks away your happiness and joy. I'm going to say that again. I'm going to let you know about a pattern that exists in your mind that's existed probably your whole entire lives, but you're not aware of it, that sucks away your happiness and your joy. Any interest? Now, listen. Just loves to complain about everything. Don't listen. You know, anybody ever had, if they're right next to you, like, don't, like, you know, point them or, but you ever meet somebody or have somebody in your life that they love to complain, and if they have nothing to complain about, like, they could go, like, read a book, plan a vacation, watch TV, I mean, like, take a breath, go for a walk, get a puppy, go on a date, I mean, whatever, they could. And if that person's in the room right now, they're just complaining about me right now to themselves. And the reason why we do it is because we're getting something out of it. We don't realize that when we complain, we get to be right. How many of you like to be wrong? How many of you like to be right? Why? Why is it important to be right? You feel good? Who makes you feel good? I heard this out. What's that? No, but when you're right, but who makes you feel good when you know you're right? Yourself. Do you realize that? Do you know why it's more important to be right? Do you know why there's probably people in this room that have people in their lives they haven't spoken to in 5, 10, 15 years? Platonic, romantic friendship, because at some point it was more important for you to be right about something than just to say, I don't care. Ready? You want to know why this is not that other thing I'm talking about, but we are our own drug dealers. When we feel like we are right, we release dopamine, oxytocin, serotonin, and endorphins immediately from our brain into our body. So we do. We totally make yourself feel good. You don't even realize that. Ready? I'm going to prove it to you. 2 plus 2. Good job. So you see that sensation, you get happy, and then that voice kicks in your head, says stuff like, that's too easy, why are you happy, stop laughing, and you sabotage your own joy. Over and over. Ready? I want you to see, because this is something that you've been doing, and you're going to be doing all the time.